In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user licenses and annual fixed plan in Google Admin Console. If you're on an annual fixed plan and need more seats for new team members, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can increase your license count confidently. You'll need a Google Workspace admin account with permission to manage billing. If you're not an admin, you won't see the options we're about to use. Start by going to the Google Admin Console. You can open it in your browser and sign in with your administrator credentials if prompted. Once you're in the home page of the admin console, you're in the right place to manage your organization's services and billing. Next, head to Billing. You'll find Billing in the main navigation. This is where Google groups everything related to your subscriptions, payments, and license quantities. Going here ensures we're working at the subscription level, which is important for an annual fixed plan because license adjustments are handled on the subscription itself rather than at the user level. From Billing, select Subscriptions. This page lists every product tied to your account. Look for your Google Workspace or relevant product that's on the annual fixed plan. It's usually labeled clearly, often showing an annual commitment or a renewal date. If you manage multiple subscriptions or domains, double-check you're opening the correct one so you add seats to the right plan. Inside the subscription details, you can add user licenses. You'll see your current number of purchased licenses and separately how many are assigned. Choose the option to adjust or add licenses, then enter the new total number of seats you want for your annual fixed plan. Increasing the total immediately raises your available pool so you can assign those seats to new users as needed. Keep in mind, with annual fixed plans, you can increase licenses anytime during the term, but you typically can't reduce them until renewal. Also note that charges for added seats are usually prorated for the remainder of your commitment period. Review the updated amount and confirm the change to finalize. After saving, the additional licenses will be available right away and you should see the updated count reflected in the subscription view. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh. It's a good idea to record the new total and, if needed, notify your finance team about the adjusted commitment so your budget and invoices align. That's it. You've successfully navigated to the admin console, opened billing, went into subscriptions, and added user licenses on your annual fixed plan. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you scale your organization smoothly.